Hi guys, a lot of people sent messages in the comment section the other day and they were like, oh, you're always traveling. Where are you always going to? Africa, like I always say, has a lot of potentials. But the challenge is a lot of businesses right in Africa don't have the ability to travel out and seal these deals and make these connections. It's very difficult for, say, a US company to just receive emails from a lot of you businesses that have products that you want to sell abroad. It's very difficult for you to just send them an email and then they will say, oh, yeah, we trust that guy from Africa, so we're going to do business with him because he sent us an email. Now, the challenge is you have a lot of the so-called scammers that have spoiled things for a lot of us. So the only way to seal deals with a lot of these companies is for somebody to be there physically. And that's what I've been doing in the past 2 weeks. I have traveled to many places in the past 2 weeks. I started with Phoenix, then I went to Houston, and then to Miami. I'm actually in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And in all these trips, I've been talking to various companies, various retailers that are ready to carry products from various African companies. And that's what we're going to be doing. Come 2024, we are going to be doing a lot of things. When I say a lot of things for various businesses. We have been in this journey trying to help African businesses to get their products listed on various stores in the USA for quite a while. And I think we got a hold of it now. Be ready. If you are not following me either on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, make sure you are. We're going to be having a lot of things to roll out. We're going to be teaching so many businesses how to get their products right here in the USA absolutely free. There is a lot to do. Don't miss the opportunity. Follow me, ask me questions. If you are trying to export a particular product and you don't know the process to go about it, hit us in the comments. Send me a DM. I'm ready to answer your question. I look forward to working with a lot of you African businesses this 2024. In fact, sometime early 24, we're going to have an amazing event. It's going to be absolutely free. Once you're a business and you have things that you can export, you're going to be able to come for that event. Make sure you are following. Invite your friends to follow. You are going to learn a lot. 2024, make sure you are ready to have your products selling either on Amazon or any of the US stores, selling to various African stores here in the USA. That's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be offering a lot of free training to empower businesses. We have hundreds, I'll probably say hundreds of retail companies out here in the USA that we've reached out to who are ready to take your products. So be ready. 2024 is going to be a different year. Together, we're going to make it big for you when it comes to export. See you soon.